How to create a PDF book cover for Amazon KDP on Canva. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video I will show you how you can easily create your KDP book cover using Canva. Canva is a free software tool to use for any graphic design. So before we can create our Amazon KDP book cover, we need to first get the correct size for our book. So to do that, we just need to let me open a new tab here and let me just go to google.com, and over here let's just search for the KDP book cover template. So KDP, all right, I got it here, and just go here, just click this one, the KDP cover calculator, for us to get the perfect size for our book cover, because the size of the book cover will depend on how many pages you have inside the book. So this one will help us identify the perfect size. So here we just need to provide the binding type. So let's just say paperback, and then the interior type, I will just go ahead and premium color, and the paper type, just white, and then the page direction, I will just choose from left to right. And then the measurement units, of course, since this is a book and it should be printed, then I will just go ahead and make use of inches. And then over here we have the interior trim size. So here 5 by 8 inches is the smallest, but you also have different sizes here. So we have the 6 by 9 up to 8 by 10. But let me just go ahead and choose the 6 by 9, this one over here. And then of course the last part is provide the number of pages that you have inside your book. So for example, we will enter here 200 pages, and then just click calculate dimensions. And as you can see here, it will show us the correct book cover template for our 200 pages book. So over here, you have this template and you have the full cover, including this one here that will be cut off later on. So now we have the book cover. The next thing that we need to do is to go back to our Canva. So here at the top right corner, just click create a design. And then of course, just click custom size. And over here from pixel, just change it to inches because it's a book. And then let's just go back to the KDP cover calculator and let's get this one. So it's going to be 12.999. That is for the width. And then for the height, it's going to be 9.46. And then just click create a new design. And now we have our blank Canva here. We can now start designing our book cover. But before that, let's go ahead and also get the template from the KDP cover calculator over here. So just click the download template located here and just wait for the download to finish. So it will be downloaded as a zip file. So you need to unzip it so that you can move and upload that inside your Canva. So let me just go ahead and unzip the file for a moment and I will be back to you guys. So I will just go ahead and unzip this one first. All right, so we have the file here. So let me just close that and let me just go here and I will just upload the template. So we have it here. All right, so we have the template here. Let me just click on it. And now let's just go ahead and drag this point here to make the template bigger and so that it will fit inside our Canva. So now we have the template here. So we can now ready to design. So this will be the front cover of the book and this will be the back cover of the book. So here in the middle, as you can see, the width of this middle part depends on how many pages you have inside the book. So for 200 pages, we have this width here. So the first thing that I will do here is to add our background. So I will just go ahead and go to the background. And then over here, you can make use of different background here that you like. So for example, I will be using this one over here, and this will be added under this template. So let me just drag the template here, and we have this background over here. What I can do is I will just go ahead and click the edit image, and I will just click see all, and over here, I will just go ahead and make it blur. Something like that maybe. And then I will just go ahead and also adjust the transparency. All right, so maybe that one. So I will just go ahead and also adjust the transparency of our template so that we can see the background. So we need to keep our template so that we are aware where to put our design. So inside here, we need to put all the design inside these red lines here, because outside the red lines, this will be cut off or it will be folded over here. So you cannot put any design there because it will be folded. So first I will go ahead and add some title here in the middle. So I will add some text, something like that. This is just for example. All right, so let me just go ahead and make it smaller. And then I will just go ahead and rotate this one to 90%. And then I will just go ahead and add this one here, just like that. So we have now the text over there. And then the second part is our front cover. Let me just go ahead and searching for an element. Lady. All right, so I will just go ahead and look for elements here. Let me just make use of this, for example. Let me add it here. And then also let's search for a guy. Let me just look for a guy here that we can use in our design. All right, so maybe this one over here. All right, so let me just go ahead and move these elements over here. All right, so we have something like this. And then let me just go ahead and search for a baby. All right, so I will be using this one over here. I guess this is cute. And I will just go ahead and edit the image. So let me make it darker so that it can be seen. Contrast, saturation. All right, so we have this design over here, and then we can add our text. All right, so maybe something like that, and you can just change the font here. All right, so let me just add this one up here. And of course, we can adjust the spacing. Let me just adjust it because it's just too far. All right, so we have this kind of design. So this is just a very simple design, guys. Let me just go ahead and hide the template. All right, so I got the design here. I guess that's all for today's video, and thank you for watching.